These headlights look terrible. Almost spent $150 to fix them. But instead, I tried this $20 kit. Today, I'm testing the SYLVANIA Headlight Restoration Kit on my Honda Pilot, and let's see if it's worth it.
Ladies and gentlemen,
This is years of oxidation, yellowing, cloudy, foggy, even the emblem. So these were the three kits I was looking at. They're all between $15 and $25 range. So some of the kits, you have to do it by hand as far as the sanding. And the other one, you can use power tools like a drill or sander, buffer. Honestly, I just got the one that was on sale at the time. All right, I'll show you what I got. Let's open the box. Got the sandpaper, paper towel, instructions, plastic glove, surface activator, UV block clear coat, blue paper towel, and clarifying compound. When sanding, make sure everything is smoothed out, get all that oxidation, all that crust. When sanding, use water to keep the lenses wet, sandpaper. So the key step is this UV sealer. This will keep it from turning yellow and cloudy and foggy again. All right, the moment of truth. Let's see the results and what I think of the product. Honestly, I didn't expect much difference, right? I just bought this because it was on sale, but it worked. It's hard to tell in some of the pictures in the video, but I could tell a difference. It's not cloudy or foggy anymore. It's pretty clear. If I had to do it over again, I'd probably opt for the other product that where you can use the power tools, the drill or buffer, because it does wear out your hands. I would only recommend this if your headlights are cloudy, but you can still see the bulb through it. If you can't see anything, I don't think this is going to work. So the real question is, how long will this last? Sylvania claims 1 to 2 years. We'll see. Keep you guys updated.